High above the rolling hills of Burgundy, nestled on the edge of the Morvan Regional Natural Park, stands a castle that has witnessed over 1,000 years of French history, the Château de Chastellux, perched on a rocky spur overlooking the Cure River. This medieval stronghold has belonged to the same noble family for nearly 900 years. Yes, you heard that right. The Chastellux family has called this place home since the 11th century. Originally built as a military fortress, the castle was gradually transformed into a residence, blending medieval defenses with Renaissance charm. Towers, ramparts, secret staircases, they all tell stories of knights, crusades, and royal visits. One of the most remarkable chapters in the castle's history involves the Marquis de Chastellux, a French general and philosopher who played a key role in the American War of Independence. He was a close friend of George Washington and Thomas Jefferson, a fascinating transatlantic link, hidden deep in the French countryside. As your eye drifts over its ochre stone walls and gray slate roofs, notice how the castle seems to grow from the land itself, surrounded by dense forests and the gentle curves of the Morvan Hills. It's not just a building, it's a living memory of feudal France, still inhabited, still preserved. Château de Chastellux isn't one of France's most famous castles, but maybe that's exactly why it's worth discovering.